This is a homemade thickness planer that I made 15 years ago, and I got the plans on the internet, and I bought the drum. I actually found a 22-inch probably Performance drum on the eBay, and so I didn't have to make my own drum. And I got the motor on eBay, the 2 horsepower Delta motor, so it works pretty good for flattening boards, thicknessing them. And since it's 22 inches wide, it works for most cabinet parts. Makes a lot of noise, and I'll set it up here. I decided to make another top, so I'm flattening, I flattened it already, and now I'm thicknessing this piece of maple that I have here. It's a little under 7/8 at the moment, and I want to take it down to 13/16. A few more passes and we'll be there. So it's thickness now to 13/16. The color's alright. I'm not sure that the board is that much prettier, but we got some bug holes here in the side and that, but this is the bottom, I think. This would be the top. Some funny grain there, but we'll see if this comes out any better than the other one. I have it over here, which is you know, it's ready to go, but it has the big, of course, dark wood in the center, and I wasn't real happy with the flatness of that board. So let's see if this new one is any flatter. So this is the second top that I made. Spent a little bit of time this afternoon and cut it out, or added the 1/2 inch. This is the top side. This is the bottom. And I've got the flush trim bit back in the router, and I've got my discs here, so I can screw them onto the bottom and then flush trim my way around there. So on my way to making the second top.